Ready to ditch the double-decker queues and hail a ride with a tap? Let's get you navigating the Uber app like a London local. First, open your Uber app, and you'll see the Where To bar at the top. Tap on it to start entering your destination. As you type, Uber will suggest locations, making it super easy to find exactly where you're going. Once you've found your destination, select it from the list now. Uber needs to know where to pick you up. The app usually gets this right based on your current location, but it's always good to double-check. If the pin isn't quite right, just drag the map until the pin is exactly where you want to be picked up. Tap Confirm Pickup when you're happy with the location. Next up, choosing your ride. Uber will show you different options with estimated prices and arrival time. Scroll through them to see what fits your budget and needs. Once you picked your ride, tap on your preferred option. Double-check everything one last time: the pickup location, the destination, and the price. Then hit that Confirm UberX button. And that's it. Uber will now find a driver, and you'll see their photo, car details, and estimated arrival time. You can track their journey on the map, so you know exactly when they'll arrive. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.